Assalamu alaikum grade 1. How are you my dear students? Today inshallah we are going to complete chapter 11 and our topic for today it's about comparing masses. Our objective is to compare masses of items. Comparing masses. Could you look at this picture? What does it remind you? Yes, it reminds you with the seesaw. In the park, if you go to play with the seesaw, like you can see here on the balance, we have the elephant and the horse. The elephant, it's down, and the horse, it's up. So when we compare masses, we are going to find which is heavier and which is lighter. And you can use the link below and watch the video. Let's compare between two items. On the seesaw, we have a pencil on one side and a feather on the other side. We want to find which is heavier. The pencil is heavier here because the pencil it's down and the feather it's up. Now, on the seesaw, we have a seashell and a book. We will compare between the seashell and the book. Which is lighter now? Yes, the seashell, it's lighter because it's going up. In the previous slides, we compared between two items. And now, we will compare between three animals. We will compare masses of three animals. We have a rabbit, a horse, and an elephant. If we compare between two items, we use the words heavier and lighter. But if I am comparing between more than two, as you see in the picture, we have three animals, we will use the words heaviest and lightest. Now, do you think which one is the heaviest? Yes, the elephant, it's the heaviest animal in these pictures. And which one is the lightest? The rabbit, it's the lightest. What if I compare between the rabbit and the horse? I can say the horse is heavier than the rabbit. And the rabbit is lighter than the horse. And if I will compare between the three animals, I will say the elephant is the heaviest and the rabbit is the lightest. Let's measure and compare the masses of the following items. In the previous lesson, we have learned how to measure masses. And today we will measure and compare. We have three items: a packet of sugar, a packet of flour, and a sack of rice. To compare between the three items, we have to measure the mass of each item first. The packet of sugar, it weighs 3 kg. The packet of flour, it weighs 5 kg. And the sack of rice, it weighs 8 kg. Now, could you find the heaviest item and the lightest item? The packet of sugar is the lightest, and the sack of rice is the heaviest. To compare means to subtract. When we compare the masses of two items, we use subtraction to find the difference between them. For example, if I have two items like the packet of sugar and the packet of flour, and I want to compare between them and find how much heavier is the packet of flour than the packet of sugar, or how much lighter is the packet of sugar than the packet of flour, I have to use subtraction to find the difference between them. So, the packet of sugar, it weighs 3 kg. And the packet of flour, it weighs 5 kg. 5 minus 3 equal 2. So the packet of flour is 2 kg heavier than the packet of sugar. And the packet of sugar is 2 kg lighter than the packet of flour. Finally, let's practice. We have 3 items: bag of oranges, sack of brown rice, and bag of potatoes. Which bag is the heaviest? First, you have to find the mass of each bag. Then you will compare between them and find the heaviest. We have the bag of oranges, it's 2 kg. The sack of rice, it's 5 kg. And the bag of potatoes, it's 9 kg. Now, which one is the heaviest? Yes, the bag of potatoes. The bag of potatoes is how many kg heavier than the sack of rice? Now I will compare between the bag of potatoes and the sack of rice. So if I will compare between 2 items, I will use subtraction. The bag of potatoes, it weighs 9 kg minus the bag of rice, it weighs 5 kg. So 9 minus 5 equal 4. So the bag of potatoes is 4 kg heavier than the sack of rice. Thank you and see you in the next video.